Something distinctive?
Yeah.
Like we point with our mouth. Like for example, we can point like this. And we're saying that we're pointing that direction. That's so funny.
That's real, right?
That's for real, yeah. You can see it in an Encanto movie.
So I think the greatest thing about Puerto Ricans and the heritage is that we don't all look the same. Puerto Ricans can be the lightest, they can be the darkest, they can have green eyes. We're all different shades, and we all still have the same blood pumping through our veins, and it's a beautiful thing that Puerto Ricans take pride in.
The heritage that I was given by my parents ultimately is just it's an old school type of mentality to always just stay true to my roots, and that means, you know, one, glorifying, you know, where it is that I come from with them, thinking of my parents first in everything that I do, and then just passing it on to my kids. And not only that, but making sure that I'm transforming it into my business as well. It makes it extra special to come to work, to be honest with you.
My name's Gladys Escamilla. I'm a movement mortgage loan officer, and I was born in Atlanta, Georgia with Mexican roots. My heritage is my identity. I'm a proud Latina who lives by my core values that were instilled into me by my family. Number one being respect, the love for my family. El amor y el valor a la familia. We love and we value our blood, our roots, our traditions, and I'm also carrying the legacy of my family. I'm working towards the life that my family's always wanted for me.
Colombian heritage is one of different approaches. Like we have like the Spaniard conquistadors, we have the indigenous approach, and we have the African American group all mixed together. Part of our heritage is like we have faced many challenges through our existence, so we can think of a problem as an opportunity.
So my mother is Puerto Rican and my father's from the Dominican Republic. Yeah, I think that that the way I grew up and the values that were instilled in me and my family, it allows me to have a perspective of clients aren't just a number. I look at it as, you know, in a bigger picture. At the end of the day, we go to work to get paid. I have to pay my bills, but I don't think that by doing that you have to lose sight that you're helping people.
It's just del corazón, it's from the heart.